With a cool and soothing climate almost all year round, Ooty welcomes us from far and wide. Guys, if you would love to relax over a cup of coffee, sitting back and gazing at the beauty of the nature, then Ooty is indeed the place to be. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Swa Talks. And welcome to my travel series episode number 2. So guys, we are in Ooty and Coimbatore to Ooty journey is simply awesome and very adventurous guys. We came to a resort which is called as Forest Gate. It is so beautiful. You can see the rooms are so neat and hygienic. I just loved it because it is a very big room and it is sufficient to all of us because it has a 2 king size and 1 queen size bed. I just love the view from outside guys. And guys, this is the view from our balcony and it is awesome and you can see this very peaceful and beautiful feeling guys. I literally enjoyed a lot and as you can see, the view from my balcony is so beautiful, so greenery and a little cold and sunny. And here my little princess, my love, is so excited. She just want to go out and roam and have a nice day, and she's just waiting that when we are getting out of this room. So guys, that was our room view, and as we said bye to our room because after this we won't come back, so with our whole bags and backpacks we are heading towards the chocolate factory and a tea factory which is very famous over here. So guys, just enjoy the scenery and the beauty of the Ooty. So guys, we reached to Benchmark Chocolate Factory. This is the India's first chocolate factory, guys. So this is how it looks from inside. So they are showing the process of making chocolate here. So guys, that was so fun watching Chocolate Factory, the preparation of chocolate. So now we are heading towards the tea factory, which is in the same place, and it has taste 6 variety of tea that is for free, guys. So guys, that was the tea factory, and after done with it, and the exit point, there is a huge cosmetic shopping hall was there, and it is so beautiful. You can see so many kind of lipstick shades, eyeliners, nail polish are there, and yeah, definitely this is not a branded one. They are just like that. I don't think it's good on the skin or not, but for watching this kind of cosmetics at one place, I always enjoy. So that was the travel series episode number 2, guys, and I hope you all enjoy the video, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So the next video will be more interesting and more of fun. Stay tuned for more such videos, guys. So until then, take care. Bye bye.